I thought our guys showed great promise. They battled back. They showed, the heart of a champion, coming back and getting this thing to overtime. And then we had a couple of chances here, and things fall our way. We're sitting here smiling. Sometimes it just doesn't go your way. But, there are some things that we got to get better at, but also I thought there were some things we did pretty well. But our administration did a great job of getting out and really publicizing the game and getting people here for the game. I think it speaks volumes to what these guys have done last year and in their careers here. They get a lot of support from a lot of people here.